Thank you very much, Chancellor Helm. And I just want to say about Marty Ferris, our trustee, there is no one in Massachusetts or beyond who has supported this public law school the way she has. So, Marty, thank you very much. Dean Billick, Trustee Ed Collins, we are honored to have the Chief Justice of the Supreme Judicial Court, Ralph Gans, distinguished members of the faculty, honorees, guests, and students. As president, as a fellow UMass grad, as a fellow lawyer, I congratulate you and welcome you to this most noble of professions. I have to tell you that attending law school was one of the best decisions that I ever made in my life. My legal training has been a friend, an ally, an asset throughout my career, whether it was leading the Securities Division of the Commonwealth of Massachusetts from the Secretary of State's office, to serving as First Assistant District Attorney in Middlesex County, throughout my years in the United States Congress, and more recently in leadership roles here at UMass. Having good legal skills and experience allowed me to take on big tobacco in Congress and give me the ability to challenge the tobacco giants and, frankly, to prod the federal government at a time when we were not doing enough to identify the enormous health hazard of tobacco and that smoking caused to our society. We were failing to take the steps needed to protect people's health and save lives. And I know that all of you are going to use your skills and the courage to stand up for the poor and to stand up for those who can't fight for themselves, to fight for children, to fight for the environment, to fight for health care and decent housing, and in an ultimate sense, to fight for justice, sending forth the teeny ripples of hope that, in the words of former U.S. Attorney General Robert F. Kennedy, will build a current that can sweep down the mightiest walls of oppression and resistance. When I look at the academic calendar, I mentally circle these dates, as in my opinion, there is no better or more inspirational time of the year. During the commencement period, the 5 campuses of the University of Massachusetts send 17,000 graduates into the world, agents of hope, to produce the ripples that will turn into an overwhelming current for positive change. You are the legal division of a much larger UMass force of graduates. I am very proud, we're all very proud of what you have accomplished. And we know that you will make us even prouder in the months, years, and decades ahead as you take on the causes that need to be addressed, as you protect people's rights and bring justice and hope to people across the Commonwealth, to people across this country, and indeed to people across the world. Congratulations.